Keep zooming. There, right where my finger is a European bee eater. Here we go. Hello, pretty birdie. Now, I've seen one carmine so far this season, but unfortunately it disappeared too quickly before we could get a camera in it. But for those of you who know, the European beaters have migrated from the south of France, Spain, Portugal, come to take advantage of all our insects out here. Very pretty birds. You can hear there's quite a few of them around them. You hear that? Now, they get their name bee eater because they do occasionally catch stinging insects, wasps and bees, but before eating them, to make sure they do not do them any damage, they beat them against a stick. I could actually hear one doing it somewhere. You said that. There we go. I don't know if you can just hear it in the distance. This one is not catching anything. Oh, it's going to be joined. A little bit lower down. Look at that golden back. There we go. There's one in nice full colors. Look at that beautiful golden back. Absolutely gorgeous, aren't they? Now you can see how it's constantly checking around for any flying insects to feast upon. There you go, you can see it calling. Chirrup, chirrup, chirrup. Oh, off they go.